Today I am very happy to be with you through this video message on the occasion of the Business World function. The Business World as a magazine has itself developed and earned the reputation of being a good provider of information as well as analysis. Both are important, and therefore I congratulate Business World for organizing this good program where they are tracking the progress of 500 big companies of India. We had mentioned during the election campaign, दिन अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. I can very happily announce and say that आप तो फील ही करते होंगे कि अच्छे दिन आए हैं. शुरुआत होती है तभी पता चलता है कि क्या होने वाला है, और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के आने के बाद जिस तरह से सुशासन का और सरकार का काम हम कर रहे हैं, तो निश्चित रूप से आपको बहुत बदलाव देखने को मिले होंगे. और सबसे बड़ा धमाकेदार बदलाव तो हमारे विभाग में हुआ है. पर्यावरण और वन पर्यावरण का क्या खौफनाक मंत्रालय बना था. हमारे एक पूर्वसूरी ने नो गो नो गो नो गो इतने बोर्ड्स लगाए कि लोग पूछने लगे जाए तो जाए कहाँ. द इंडियन इन्वेस्टिंग कंपनीज and Indian companies were investing more outside India than the net flow of FDI during last 5 years. Now I think after Narendra Modi assuming power, people have taken out all the projects which they had conceptualized but has not put on table. Now they have started work on that. I know it because the first hurdle was that environmental hurdle. To get environment clearance was a nightmare. And why? The first step which I took was to start online submission of application for environment and forest clearances, and it has succeeded. Now there are more than 270 applications being processed online, and one can monitor the progress of the file. This is entirely a new thing happening in the government. If you can track your file without visiting office, because offices in earlier regime had become office, a famous Pankaj Kapoor serial. So this is how we used to, that's not the ease of doing business which you should provide. We are providing with the policy measures. And therefore, we took series of decisions, linear projects. Even the pipeline or road or rail or irrigation canal or transmission line passing through jungle is absolutely a nightmare for any project proponent, because if it is passing for 200 kilometers, the public hearing and everything means not only expenditure but waste of time and many times. I am not denouncing the importance of the stakeholders being consulted, but we can ensure we have a midway of ensuring progress as well as protection of environment, and that's the way we have started it with. So all linear projects will now get automatic approval. We are taking policy decisions. The forest clearance. Earlier there used to be files coming to me of 5 hectares also. I have decentralized the function. 90% of the files were below 40 hectares. I changed the mindset first. I said, don't use this word forest diversion. We are not diverting it for permanent. We are making compensatory afforestation also. If we are making double the forest afforestation or even equal afforestation, then don't call it forest diversion, call it forest restoration files. And the forest restoration has started. It is the change of mindset which is important. The bureaucracy had changed, the way they were dealing, they were thinking, and they were implementing the projects. So now up to 40 hectares, I have decentralized the powers to the regional office, wherein we are putting 2 experts and 2 officers of the state of which the projects are. So we are making it a complete proof interlocking and a reasonable decentralized mechanism where the files won't be coming to Delhi. One officer told me, sir, what you are doing, the files won't come to us. I said, I don't want files. He again repeatedly saying, oh, sir, the files won't come to us. That means something more. I said, no. We are doing it with, मोदी जी के भाषा में अगर कहे तो कर गुजरने का कुछ संकल्प है, उसके लिए कर रहे हैं, देश के लिए कर रहे हैं. और इसलिए Modi government is committed to provide ease of doing business, and Modi government is committed to provide the right atmosphere for investment and growth. We are not destroying. My slogan is always development without destruction. And I will appeal to the industries also, you don't be reckless. We will have to evolve our sustainable way of life when in face of a climate change debate world over, we can't do business as usual. So we will provide you ease of doing business. You guarantee us that you will not do business as usual, but business with more sensibility. That's the two-way traffic. That's the commitment for the nation. And therefore, I am happy to note that in the last 6 months, the investment sentiments have changed, the investment plans have changed, people have started thinking about new projects, and things are online. And the results are there to see in the balance sheets in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter results, and we are watching. There is a sense of hope, which is reflected in capital markets also. There is reason for hope. And the reason is solid, and it's a mutual partnership. To that end, the business world has organized a very important occasion, and I am very happy to talk to you through video. Actually, you see me always in TV, but I would have been more happy to be with you personally, but still, this is at least a way out option provided by the technology, and therefore, I wish the function and the efforts of both the business world and the business community to really become the partners in progress. Government-led government and business world work together to achieve the end, which is to provide the good life to my population and citizen and take the country to the newer heights. That's the vision with which we are working under Narendra Modi, and we will continue to do that. Thank you.